Hello and welcome back to my channel, Get Crafty Tutorials. As you know, we are doing the Christmas gifts, so today I'm going to show you how to make a personalized Santa hat. Yes, we all see them, we all know them, the red Santa hats that are just everywhere when the season has broken. Well, I am going to show you how you can easily personalize them and where you can find your do-it-yourself Christmas hat. So let's just go ahead and go through the tools and materials you will be needing to create this one yourself. Okay, so these are both of my Santa hats, the blanks that I will be using. It is a delicate tissue, so I'm not going to use a lot of heating time or pressing time. This is the glitter iron-on I will be using on it, so it gives that shiny effect. It is a thin glitter iron-on. I will be linking it in bio as well, but it does do the trick. And my Cricut weeding tool that I use always in my tutorials for now. So let's go ahead and make this baby. Okay, so step one, Cricut Design Space. I've already set up a canvas with two names. I'll just go ahead to font, and I will be using a Cricut Access subscribed font that is called Annie Liu. So I will be putting this template up in my Cricut Design Space as well. You can go ahead and easily use it. So I'll do the same for both of the names. I will just go ahead slow about this one, and it is the Annie Liu. I'm linking it in bio as well. So there you go. I have both of them, and you can go ahead and click on Make It. So that is my mat. As you can see, they're perfectly lined up. We are using glitter iron-on, so you know the trick. Iron-on is pressing on the glossy side, and the glossy side goes on the mat. So we are going to mirror them. So let's go ahead and click on Continue, and we'll just go ahead and select our base material, and our base materials is as always set on Everyday Iron-On. I do know we are using glitter iron-on, but it is a thin iron-on. It's not the glitter one as you know it that really cuts deeper. It is a thin iron-on. It's a flex iron-on. So I am using an Everyday Iron-On to cut through it and not break the font. So now my Cricut Maker has been connected. I've prepared my mat. I've loaded it inside my Cricut Maker by using the button with the arrows on it. Once my Cricut logo starts blinking, then it's good to go. And I've also clicked on that one already. And now we are going into the cutting process. So as usual, I will be seeing you for step 2, and that is our weeding and our heating. Okay, so step 2, the weeding process. I'm just going to go and fast forward to the eventual result. I'm going to cut the two names up in 2 pieces. It is a tip that I can give you because it makes it much easier to weed it out. And I am using the Cricut weeding tool. So let's just go ahead and weed this out. Okay, so both of my names are all set and done. So this is my second name. I'm just going to go ahead and put it over here as well. Okay, so that has been said and done. And now we just only need the heat. So let's go. I'm using my Vevor heat press for this one. I am doing a separate video as well, but as you can see, I've already done it. Just a simple press for 5 seconds because it is a delicate tissue, so I put protection on them. Again, I will be making a separate tutorial, but as you can see, I can peel it off with one hand and it just looks gorgeous. The glitter effect is just amazing. And let's go ahead to step 3, which is the final results. Okay, my Santa hats are all set and done. I've personalized them. I know my guests will be happy with them. You can use them as decoration during the holidays. You can add them in a gift box. You can just go ahead and accessorize with them at the dining table. You can just go ahead and play with this tutorial because it is an easy, quick tutorial. You do not need anything special, only a blank Santa hat. And we all know you can find those anywhere at this time of year. Okay, so go ahead and pick up yours. I'll link everything in below, even the template that is available in Cricut Design Space, and just go ahead and have fun with this. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. So thanks again for watching Get Crafty tutorials, and keep an eye on my channel because more is yet to come.